Today is Saturday, and this is what I got done here in town on the my old shop. They got damaged during Hurricane Laura and Delta. So I got 4 of them up today, which is not very good, but the wind is blowing, so I had to come down. And so I put 4 of them up, and I did load, I guess about 12 sheets from right there where that grass is discolored. And it's all pressure treated lumber there. And that's what I'm striking the roof with. So I've got a couple sheets here I've got to order, get them repaired, and got all that right there. So I'm fixing to head to the country. I didn't get here until about lunchtime, so then I had a lot of figuring, and I've got to actually take that back loose and square it up just a little bit better. I don't like the way it's looking, so there's a few little things on it I don't like, so I'm gonna kind of shift it a little bit. So, but okay, what I'm fixing to do is put this caulking on this sheet before I install it. Then you have to pull this paper off. What this does is when I lay that up on top of the building, and the other sheet, that other side over there, lays on top of that. And once I screw it down, it forms a seal. That way no rainwater can get up underneath that sheet and leak inside the building. So I'm going to continue on.